Hello everyone, if you want to see how I reshape my brow, keep on watching. First of all, use a powder brush to get rid of all the excess oil around that area to prevent you from taking out all of the hairs or from tearing yourself. Next up, you can use a twinkle eyebrow blade to groom or just the ordinary razor blade. There are different ways you can groom your eyebrow. You can just groom it following the natural shape of your eyebrow, taking out the excess stray hairs around that area, or you just want to eyeball how you want your eyebrow to be like and then just carve out the shape. Like what I'm doing, I'm just trying to okay, this is how I want. I'm just kind of eyeballing how I want it to be. Then I'm just taking out the stray hairs from that area. You will understand better when I get to the second brow. Meanwhile, keep on watching. Okay, we're down to the second eyebrow. Use your spoolie to brush up the hairs and then use your razor blade to kind of create a straight line underneath the eyebrow. What I mean by straight line is use your razor blade to kind of take out any stray hair growing along that line, like so. Next, use your spoolie to brush down the hairs just so you can see the ones growing outside the shape, the natural shape of your eyebrow. I'm just realizing how oily my face was. So if you see any blister, please, it's because I'm just recovering from malaria. So now, after brushing down the brow, we're taking out the excess. After this method, your brow will remain the same shape even if you brush it to any direction. If you brush upward, downwards, sideways, anyhow, your brow will still remain the same shape. And don't forget to comment on this video. Give it a 25 thumbs up if you can, and also subscribe to my channel, please guys. Don't you want to be my friend? So I'm just giving it the final touch.